Welcome everyone. Today we're going to be reviewing Oracle's BI Cloud Service solution from a perspective of actually going out and procuring that, and from a self-service model. So procuring it, what are all the considerations, what's it about, how you could take BICS after you've procured it and quickly get your reports up and running with a sample set of data, and then build upon that and enhance it. So to do that, we need to give you an overview of cloud solutions in general. We'll be talking about the BI Cloud Service features and functionality. Then we'll be going through that BICS service workflow that I just described. And then finally, I'll give you a preview of some of the things to come with BI Cloud Service. And we'll take your questions at the end, but as Kirby said, we'll have a limited amount of time for that, but we welcome them, and if you don't have your question answered in the time we have provided, you can always email those to us. So the first thing we need to cover, for those of you who are brand new to the cloud services area, are the differences, just very quickly here for those people, differences between the different service levels that you can get within a cloud scenario. So BICS is software as a service, or SaaS, and that's built upon Oracle, an entire Oracle stack. So everything from the hardware all the way up through the integration layer, database layer, is all Oracle, from soup to nuts. And in fact, it's built upon platform as a service. So platform as a service would be the middleware, application servers, so forth and so on, database systems, and then on top of, then that's built on top of the infrastructure as a service. So typically with Oracle, this would be all of their Linux environments or their high-end machines, depending on what level of service you would buy from them. But what Oracle is providing you essentially is an enterprise level infrastructure for the cost of a subscription. Okay, so you're coming in a software as a service model. So what's bringing people to the cloud? I very much think about these days with the cloud as I did back in the early 90s when everyone wanted a web page or have a web presence. You know, it's the same sort of gold rush going on with the cloud at the moment, and it's definitely something that's not really going to go away. So with that, you know, here are the drivers as we see them, are first and foremost the deployments